The right-hander brings this mark of 9-5 with him to the mound, making his 18th start, and he does not. There's a strikeout, and the throw down is not in time as Pierce gets back to the bag with 2 out. Ball game now with a 2-2 pitch. Strikeout ends the inning.
Now that Kershaw, as we see him running on this play, we got a double play.
Strikeout and a throw out. Released in April. A red hot June. He strikes out for out number 2 here in the 3rd. Got his first time set up here, and he strikes out again. Frustration continues for Davis. Back away again. And a strikeout is the 6th of the night for John Lackey.
Home runs in the league. I'll win a lot of games.
Here's a swing and a miss and a pitch down and in. Strikeout number 7 for Lackey. 2 out in the 4th. Here's his 1-2. Good pitch, and Jones is strikeout victim number 8 and out number 1 for the first place Orioles. 1-run game, 3rd strikeout for Davis. So his frustration continues. The 2-2 pitch. Strikeout ends the inning. Home run made it a 1-run game. 1-2. On the outside corner, strikeout number 11.